Hi everyone. Today we're going to review the new finishes in ClosetPro. So we add finishes to pull-out baskets, tilt-out hampers, and shoe fences, and also to the global hardware finish in the right side slide-out when designing. So today is going to be how we can set these up for designers to start using the new finishes. So first, let's hop over to baskets and go to the pull-outs. A lot of these are going to be the same, but I'll step through each one. Down at the bottom, you now have more finishes to choose from to put in your size and SKUs for these new finishes. And then up here, we have a default finish that needs to be set so that if the global finish changes to something that's not supported for this basket, it's going to default to this default finish. So I'll just set this as chrome for now. So say matte black is selected as the global hardware. There's no matte black in here. Instead of causing an error or anything else, we're just going to pull the chrome finish in here, and that'll be automatic. Heading over to the hampers, tilt-out baskets. In here, same thing. So the finish drop-down now has additional finishes in here. You can put in additional SKUs, and we have this default finish again. So if a global hardware is selected that's not supported for this hamper, it's going to go to the default finish. And we'll probably default these on everyone's system to Chrome, but if you want to change that, you can do so under the Baskets tab. Next, let's go to Fences. Fences, again, it's going to be a very similar thing. We have in the drop-down the additional finishes here, so you can put in your SKUs and pricing. And then up here we have the default finish for these, defaulted to Chrome. Update that. And then lastly, our pulls and knobs now have new checkboxes for all the additional finishes. So we used to only have chrome, nickel, bronze, and brass here. You'll see we added the 4 others: matte gold, gloss black, white default, ivory default, and so forth. So these are going to automatically pull, say we're in gloss black, and that's what's selected in the global hardware dropdown. Then it's going to pull this crescent chrome pull. So once you set all those up, you should be good to go, and you'll be able to use these additional finishes in the global hardware, as well as selecting individually the finish for baskets, hampers, and fences. If you want to see how to design with these, hop over to the other video that covers the design side of this. All right, thanks for joining me.